Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use subtotal in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I show you first the sum function then subtotal, then you clearly understand how to use subtotal. So let's start. The first I use here the sum functions. Use the is equal to, enter the sum, select the range of data, bracket closed and enter. So here you get the total amount of this column 82,996. But when you apply the filter on this data, so I select the cell, use the shift control L, the shortcut key to apply the filter. Then here I filter some items in this data. And here you can see the total amount is not changed accordingly filter. But in subtotal, the total amount will change accordingly filter the data. Okay. And here I remove the filter again, shift control L and I remove here the filter. If you hide something rows, suppose I select the rows here, drag with the mouse, right click of the mouse and click on the hide. You can see here the total amount is not changed according to hide some rows. But in subtotal, the total amount will change accordingly hide the rows. So let's see how it's done. So I use the control Z and hide it, remove the sum functions, and here I use the subtotal. Okay, select the subtotal function, then you can see the functions, all the function list here showing. So here I'm going to sum of this column. So I select the sum function, sum. Sum is a 9 number. You just enter 9 also and you can just select this sum option. Then use the comma and select the range of data. After that, bracket closed and enter. Here you see the total amount of this column is calculated. Now I apply the filter on this data. So I select the shift control L shortcut key to apply the filter. Then I filter some items in this data, click on OK, and see the changes here. Total amount is changed accordingly filter this data. Okay, I just remove these filters and now I'm going to hide some rows. Okay, I select the some rows and right click of the mouse, click on the hide. Okay, but here the total amount is not changed. For this, I just used here the control Z, undo the actions and remove this subtotal functions and I use the is equal to. Again, I use the subtotal and here instead of select the sum function, I select here 109 sum function. You can see 109 sum. Okay. Here 109 you can enter also and comma and select the range of data, bracket closed and enter. Now I'm going to hide some rows. I select the rows and you can see here 82996. Okay. Right click of the mouse and click on hide. See, the amount will change accordingly. Hide the rows. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.